Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build credit with OpenSky easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build credit with OpenSky, start by visiting the OpenSky website. Click on the Apply Now button to begin the application process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose your credit limit, which will typically require a security deposit. Complete your application by reviewing and confirming all provided details. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, make your security deposit, which will serve as your credit limit. After your deposit is processed, you will receive your OpenSky secured credit card in the mail. Once you have the card, activate it by following the instructions included. Make small purchases regularly to build your credit history. Always pay your bill on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Consider paying your balance in full each month to keep utilization low. Monitor your credit score regularly through free online services. Be patient, as building credit takes time. Remember that responsible use of your card is key to establishing a solid credit profile. Stay informed about terms and conditions that may affect your card usage. Building credit with OpenSky can lead to future financial opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.